Hello everyone, today we are going to understand JPG Generation and learn how to perform it in the Surveyaan GeoWorkspace Desktop application. JPG Generation is the process of converting your raster data, such as orthophoto or processed outputs, into a JPG image format, which is easy to view, share, and use for presentations. Now, let's start the step-by-step process. First, open the Surveyaan GeoWorkspace Desktop application and choose your working interface. Then switch to the new UI. After switching to the new UI, you will see the post-processing section at the top. Click on Post-Processing. Next, go to the Add Layer option. Here, select Raster and then add your raster file, such as an orthophoto or any processed output file. After adding the raster file, now, on the left side, you will see the fourth tool, which is the JPG Generation tool. Click on the JPG Generation tool. In the input layer, your selected raster file will be visible. In the output section, provide the file name as per your requirement. After that, click on the Run button. Once the process is completed, your JPG file will be generated and saved in the same folder. And you can save this file also by right-click on the output file and click on Save. And your output file will be saved in the same folder. Now you can open and view your JPG file easily. In the next video, we will learn about the point cloud filter tool. Thank you so much for watching.